Hey, what's up, guys? This is the OneTouch electric can opener by Royal Cellpro. It does a really good job at making opening cans a lot easier. So it's really simple to use. See, it has a flat bottom. Basically, you just set it on top of your can and push this really big red button that it has going on there. And how it works is basically the gears at the bottom, they engage. So you hear the motor come on, it closes and clamps tight around the edge of the can, and then it will turn. So you can hold on to the can itself and let the can rotate, or you can let it go and it actually will rotate all the way around the can on its own. One thing to know, when you push start, it will go forever. So you have to push stop in order to make it stop. And the first time that I actually used this thing, I was a little confused because I hit stop and it sounded like the motor kept turning. So I thought I was doing something wrong, or it was doing something wrong, but actually all it is that when you start it, this mechanism at the bottom closes and goes really tight around the can to hold it. And then when you hit stop, it just takes a few seconds for it to open back up and release the can. So you hear that motor still going until it actually fully opens up. So don't do what I did. I kept pushing the button over and over and over and it didn't work. But when it does cut, the lid comes off really smooth so you don't have jagged edges to worry about. And it also has this magnet at the bottom so it holds can top in place. So that's really cool. As far as packaging, it's pretty simple. What comes in the box is what you see. It's the can opener, a set of instructions. You do have to put in batteries, so take AA batteries that it doesn't come with. So get your own AA batteries and put them in there, and then you're ready to go. But overall, guys, it was a little bit quirky at first to figure out, but it is a really cool kitchen gadget. I definitely recommend it for anybody who has maybe hurt hands or just wants to take a break from the normal type of can opener. So really cool product.